Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc00d6d6f when opening media files on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Video Playback Troubleshooter and the Audio Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Audio Troubleshooter, and then scroll down and click on Run corresponding to the Video Playback Troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the sound and video drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar, open Device Manager, and then expand the list for the audio drivers. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and then update drivers. Right click on the third one and then update drivers. Then you can do the same thing for the display adapter drivers. Right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one and then update drivers. The next solution will be to uninstall Windows updates. How would you do that? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select Update History, and then go to Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall for the first update and then select Uninstall. And the last one is to change the media player in the question. That will solve a lot of problems. For example, if you are using, let's say, the Windows media player, try changing to a third-party media player like VLC. Click on Choose Another App, select VLC, and then click on Always. Hey friends, if you wish to reset folder view, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.